Okay, here is the some information just about the grades for Summer Econ 2013, just to help you get the basics. First, we will not be using Skyward. We will use total points. A point is a point is a point. It doesn't matter if it's a test grade, a quiz grade, a project grade, or a homework grade. And if you're late, it's 10% off a day. If you don't let me know ahead of time, don't have a good reason, something along those lines. Remember, you can work ahead, but you can't work behind. So if you're going on vacation, you're going to be doing something else. I have no idea what, but you're not going to be at the computer for a few days. You need to make sure you get ahead on your work and not behind. Quizzes, a little bit different. You can do these quizzes as many times as you want, but they do cut off at a certain deadline, at midnight of whatever day it is that they're due. And you can do those in advance. You can do them as many times as you would like. And you can check your answers. You can use the internet. Okay. Your last attempt is the one that counts. I don't take the highest, I don't take the lowest, I take the last one. So you have to decide whether you want to retake it if you get a decent grade or not. And there are about 200 to 240 points per module, so and each one of these is worth 40 points. So it's a significant grade, but it's not excuse me, not going to make or break your grade either way typically. The quiz will change every time. You have 20 questions, but it pulls from a pool of 180 to 300 different questions. So every time you take the quiz, you're likely to get some different questions. There is a time limit of 18 minutes for most of you. If you have an IEP for some reason, you need to make sure you let me know that so that I can alter your quiz and accordingly. You are allowed to use your internet notes to look up questions. The test is partly some new information. Maybe it dives a little deeper or goes off in one way. Hopefully you know a lot of the answers to the questions. Hopefully they're not all new, but there are a few in there, and the idea there is that the quiz or test is also a learning experience, and you can go out there and dive into new questions or to find new answers. Also, take the quiz early. If there's a question, you will be able to go and look at what you answered and what the correct answer was, and take a screenshot of it and email it to me along with a question. Why was this one wrong? Why is C the correct answer and I put B? I don't understand. I'll be more than happy to help you and get you some help, and then you can go and retake that. But again, the deadline is midnight, so if you're doing that at 11 or 11:30 the night that the quiz is due, you kind of forego that opportunity. So by all means, take those quizzes a little bit early so that way you have some chance to review and figure out exactly what it is you need to know. And always, always, always text me with questions. All right, a couple other things. PBL stands for project-based learning. 3 of these 4 modules are project-based, modules 1, 2, and 4, and those are the ones that you can do with a group or you can do by yourself. It is your choice, and in another video, I will show you how to sign up for a group or work as an individual. Module 3 is a little bit more of an individual thing. And not as project-based. There is a project at the end, but it's not what we truly call a project-based unit. And as always, if you have any questions, send me a text message, and we will get it figured out.